What's up, guys? This is Step Up Your Game here. Today we're going to be working on making a website, or coding it specifically. And I will do step by step, doing certain videos focusing on certain things. We're going to be using HTML and CSS, and we are going to be using the document Cloud9, which I like to use. So if you don't know what Cloud9 is, go into Google, Explorer, Safari, whatever you use, and type in C9, and in C9.io would come up. Click enter and it would bring you to Cloud9, and then you can sign up. It's completely free, and sign in, and then you can fix up a workspace and stuff, and you would go to this. We're going to be starting this tutorial by learning how to tell the document what language you're using, and with that we're using HTML and CSS. So you're going to type in the doc type HTML tag. A tag is basically a piece of code in between the greater than and less than signs. So in between the greater than and less than signs, the tag is going to be called the doc type HTML tag. So you're going to put doc type exclamation mark, and then type doc type in all capitals. After that, you're going to do a space and not in capitals, lowercase, okay. Type in HTML. And that's the doc type tag. That's basically telling the document that this is an HTML website. So to get to the next line, you're going to click enter and see line 2 comes up. So now what you're going to do is click the HTML tag. In between all of that is going to be all your website code, basically. So what you're going to do is do HTML tag. That's how you do it, all in lowercase, in between the two greater than and less than signs. And then you're going to do an ending tag. This is for tags that you put stuff inside of the tag. So you're going to have to do it on a different line too. And it's an ending tag. The front tag is the one up on the higher line, and the ending tag's on the lower line. So to make sure, so the document knows it's an ending tag, you have to put a slash there, and then type in HTML just like the first one. And my caps lock on. Oh, great. Why did you even make a caps lock? Alright, anyways, let's do the HTML tag, and then you're going to do less than sign, or greater than sign, whatever. Alright, so now we're going to go inside the HTML tag, and everything in this is going to be all your code for your website. So, to start off, you have to make the head tag, which is basically the head of your document. Like, you know what, right up here, all of this is the head tag. It's very useful, and it has all the links and refresh buttons and stuff like that. That will be on the website, and that's basically what the head tag. This is the head tag for Explorer in my case, but inside you're going to go down and use the ending tag for the head tag. Yes, ending tags are for a lot of tags. Alright, so now inside the head tag, you got to make a title for your website. Other than submitting it to when you save, it'll ask you for a title, but you also need a title right here. So you're going to do the title tag. This is a different type of tag, because it's kind of like the doc type, but a little different still. So you're going to type in title, and then after that, you're going to do next to it, instead of underneath it, a slash. This is going to be the ending tag for a title. And then in between it, you're going to put the name. I'm just going to call it YouTube Stars or whatever like that, YouTube. Alright, that's the title done, and that's pretty cool, right? So none of this will show up yet. This is just for setting up your structure. But it's very good for learning, and you must do this. It's a very, very step-by-step process. And right next, what you're going to want to do is, I would put a style tag. This is where all your CSS and coloring stuff is going to be in. And then it's another one where it's on the next line, so it's a little bit easier to do, in my opinion. So next, you have to go in the style tag. This is where all your CSS is, but we'll get to that later in the next part. Bye. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and leave a like if you enjoyed this. And bye.